Again. Say hi. JB, ano ang gagawin mo sa Robinson?
Buy 1 box of juice.
For what?
For my fun day.
Oh. No, dental floss there, oh. Read it. Don't run. No running. Ay, bakit? Ano yan?
Only one reader.
No, here, oh. There, fresh. How much?
Which one?
We need, kailangan namin ng juice dahil mayroon silang fun day sa Wednesday. Ito ang sabi ng teacher. 1 box of juice.
Ow.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Ay, slowly naman.
Put it here. Put it here. Baliktad.
What are you drinking? Yummy? Oh. Ice cream. What?